Recruiters, let's be honest. Hiring today feels like running a marathon on a treadmill someone keeps speeding up.
Candidates ghost, deadlines tighten, and your team is juggling phone screens, scheduling, and follow-ups like it's an Olympic sport. That's exactly why AI phone call software has become the secret weapon for modern recruiting teams. Not to replace recruiters, because let's face it, nothing replaces real judgment, but to take the repetitive work off your plate so your team can focus on the conversations that actually matter. Today, we're breaking down the top AI phone call software for recruiters and why these tools are transforming staffing operations across the board. Let's jump right in. Botphonic, the best overall solution for staffing agencies. Botphonic is the closest thing to giving your team an extra full-time recruiter. It runs end-to-end automation, from initial screening to scheduling to follow-ups, and its natural language understanding is built for real-world conversations. Accents fast talkers, nervous candidates, it handles them all. And because it integrates directly into your ATS or CRM, your team gets clean, accurate data without lifting a finger. For high-volume agencies, Botphonic is simply the gold standard. Higher Logic Voice, the analytics powerhouse. If your decisions are driven by data instead of gut instinct, this tool is designed for you. It delivers engagement metrics, performance insights, and real-time scoring on each candidate. Higher Logic Voice helps you understand not just who responded, but how they responded and which outreach strategies actually work. It's a must-have for teams obsessed with optimization. Paradox Olivia Voice, the enterprise-grade solution. This one shines for large organizations hiring across multiple regions. It scales effortlessly, supports multiple languages, and keeps compliance airtight. If you're managing thousands of applicants and your workflows span continents, Olivia Voice keeps everything moving without sacrificing personalization. Just know you're buying into a fuller suite of tools, whether you need the extras or not. Fourth, HireVue Intelligent Voice Screening for structure and compliance. If you're in healthcare, government contracting, finance, or any industry with strict oversight, HireVue is your safest bet. It applies structured questioning, rubric-based scoring, and produces audit-ready documentation. Every interaction is consistent, traceable, and compliant. It's the definition of measure twice, cut once. And fifth, Topwitch Voice AI, built for global, high-volume hiring. Think massive candidate pipelines across multiple countries. Topwitch handles multilingual conversations, bulk outreach, regional workflows, and mobile-first candidate experiences. If your hiring looks more like a global production line, this tool keeps everything on track. Now, with all these options on the table, how do you choose the right AI caller? It boils down to 7 practical questions. What's your candidate volume? Does it integrate smoothly with your ATS or CRM? Can it handle real-world speech and accents? Is customization flexible enough for your roles? Do the analytics actually help you make decisions? Does the candidate experience feel smooth and human? Will it save more time than it costs? Get those answers right, and you'll pick a tool that strengthens your workflow instead of complicating it. Here's the bottom line. AI phone call software isn't a glimpse of the future. It's very much the present. Teams using these tools are moving candidates faster, dropping fewer leads, and making better decisions with less effort. They're not replacing recruiters. They're elevating them. If you're ready to scale your outreach, speed up your hiring funnel, and finally get ahead of your workload, explore Botphonic. It's one of the strongest all-around platforms for modern staffing teams. Thanks for watching. For more information, please reach to us at contact@botphonic.ai.